guys, welcome back to the another episode of Supermarket Simulator. In the previous lecture, we have bound the cart item data where we can specify how many quantity we need to buy the item, and when we press add to cart and the details of that item are bound, and we can also update using the button, and total amount will be calculated again based on the item quantity, and we can also delete the items from the cart. Now in this lecture we are going to bind the information like order value, which is total price of order, then shipping price. The total is the addition of order price, cart price and shipping price. Then balance is the total available money for player. The remaining will be if he purchases the cart, what will be the remaining amount, which is basically balance minus total cart value. And purchase button, we are going to do that functionality later on, but not in this video. Let's get started. So let's open Visual Studio, Red Games, expand this source, private user widget. So the ideology here is we are going to create a delegate inside the computer widget. That delegate is going to basically update these values, and we are going to broadcast the delegate each time the cards need to be updated, where in our case increment button pressed, or decrement, or trash, or when new item is added. In all these conditions we are going to fire that event. So each time but that event is fired, the pricing here is going to be recalculated and bound with correct values. Let's do that. In the computer widget.cpp, let's press Ctrl A, Ctrl O, Visual Studio shortcut, to head to its reciprocated header file or CPP file. Here let's create the delegate, declare, go dynamic, multicast, go delegate, and the delegate name is F on cart updated. Okay, copy the name, write public, put that a data type will be the F on cart updated, and variable name is on cart updated. Make that a U property so that it won't get deleted in garbage collection. Now we do have native construct for computer widget. In the native construct, let's bind it to a function if on cart updated is bound, put a exclamatory which is negating. It is not bound, let's bind it to a function. Let's also create a function inside private access specifier, to function void update cart prices, create a definition. Now inside the native construct, on cart updated dot add a dynamic. User object will be this, and the function name and percent. The class name will be computer widget, double colons. Function name is what if we update cart prices. There you go. Now the function is bound, the delegate is bound to this function. In this function we are going to get cart item details, then calculate order price, price, total cart price, then balance and remaining. Here we are going to do these, and we are also going to display them as we already have those here, I suppose. Yeah, cart balance price, cart total price, cart shipping price, cart remaining price. We do have those variables and it is already bound, so it is not so difficult to do that. Now we need to call this, we need to broadcast this delegate. Let's do that now. Inside on increment pressed, we do have computer widget reference already. Let's copy that. Computer ref underscore computer widget on cart update. It is public only showing. Okay, this is computer and this is computer widget. We need to get the widget from computer. I think we do have the function that it comes there. Private. Let's create a function then. Inline computer widget, add forward declare. It should be a pointer. Get computer widget const return computer widget. We need to include it instead of forward declare because we are actually returning here itself. Include these two, user widget slash computer widget, and also computer widget component. It is saying we cannot return with component. Is a component. We need to cast widget computer widget to u computer widget. It is of type u widget component. We need to cast it to computer widget. Now it is going to return right cart item get widget. Now we have the computer widget on cart updated dot broadcast. Copy this line, paste it inside on decrement pressed as well, and on trash pressed. And the last line, in computer widget there should be add item function, add item. Here also let's broadcast that. Here we do not need reference computer and all because it is self class, directly broadcast. Okay, now we have a function. Let's test once. Let's simply print debug double colon print page cart updated. Let's build. Make sure the type coding is rebuild. The build is done. Add to cart updated, and if I press plus it should be displaying cart updated again. The engine crashed. Let's see, cart item 44. Maybe the reference computer is null. We need to put we need to put this code inside native construct. crashing because in native construct only we are getting reference of reference computer. And we can remove code inside trash pressed, trash reporter again. Done. Let's open the editor using the shortcut Ctrl plus F5. Let's do it again. Press add, cast again. With delegate, it's small correction, guys. First, I will make the delegate work like this. Good. Let's directly call that function. Update card prices. Public. Let's do. In header file, we can delete the it as well for now. Binding. Now in the cart update, let's actual calculations. I have array, cart items array. We need to call for each loop and get pricing, total price of each item. Then we need to add that, assign that value, cart total price. Then based on that we can calculate the other prices as well. There won't be for each exactly plus plus, put 4, and inside the parentheses put amount. Collections cart item. For each item of type U cart item with pointer, the colon represents in which collection cart items, which is the array of U cart item. Side here, let's create a local variable int price loop.f item price, get text and convert that price. In not wrong, we have a function side SMU get price from formatted text, call that function. Get price from formatted text, the text will inside the for loop should give us the value, add that to price plus equals. Oh, after this loop we having the price, assign that no, this should be for order. Let's rename that variable as that. Of total price, let's call it total order price. Now for now I'm going to hard code the price. $5. Okay, and total cart value will be order price plus shipping price. First let's bind value for cart price text. Have a fancy function. Get formatted price value price. Okay, we have set the cart total price. Assign value for cart shipping price. Set text. Get formatted price. Price variable. Now another variable will should be cart order price. Now cart total price, the addition of cart order plus cart ship. Set text. Price plus price. Let's build once and let's test it out. Total price is $2, shipping is $5, total is 2 plus 5, which is 7, and if you press plus, the total should be 4 plus 5, 9 should be the total. Then graph computer widget 156. Update cart prices. Calling this match after adding on cart item array is already creating here. Shouldn't showing the cart item. already. One item is already there, which means already called. Added to order price. Yeah, here it is working. We are calling press plus button, it is not working. Let's also put a breakpoint for plus. Breakpoint here already. Press plus. For a small correction again, need to copy the same trash pressed about it later on. So basically the agenda is when we get the computer widget like this, it is going to return a cons or just a reference where we cannot edit the data, and inside this function we are trying to access or change the data. And if the function is marked as const or a variable is marked as const where the reference computer is marked, we are getting as a const, it cannot be altering or manipulating the data, it can only read. So to overcome that, we are going to get the computer again using the component computer widget. Using the component, we are casting that to computer widget, then we can again call the computer widget. So we can call the update cart prices. Now here computer widget dot update cart prices. Remove the line. Let's copy the same again, paste it inside on trash pressed and also on increment pressed. And if we follow the same thing, we can also make the delegate thing work. That was this delegate as well. Once it is built, let's build and compile in the editor. Now it should be working. Add to cart. New cart item added. Price is 5 plus 7. I press plus. 4 plus 5 9. 10 into 20. Yeah, 10 into 2, not 20. Sorry. Yeah, $20 and shipping of 5. Total of $25. Now this is working. And the balance should be get the total amount the player has in player money minus total. We actually get the function of players not sure. Done that. That's fine. We'll do that. Add some player character. Let's create few tables. And private should be fine. Both. We're going to come back here and redesign if required. This is just a basic. Let's initiate these values. Default one 5000. Let's create a public getter function. XP. right. Now I come at a cart balance price that fixed, and we need to get reference to player. We can start that. We can get the reference to player very if get running player, get character, pass this character to character, reference player. Now it's get player money. Move this one, the text inside the fine. Get formatted price money, right? And we can also set the value of remaining right here. Let's do this value. Variable cart price text get formatted price. Now we need to minus player minus the total cart money from player money. Total order price auto press C is going to cause me after the new I'm getting it build. It doesn't crash. Add to cart $5,000 and minus $5 7 to paste this five updating 5 price, it adding the order price. Yeah, that's because we are not updating the total cart price anywhere. Okay, because there are no items here, cart will be there 0, price will be 5, and order price will be 2. Updating 5 only. And you see a glitch? We need to reset it back to zeros after when the cart items are at 0. Add one. Update. Okay, so for now we are going to end this lecture here, and in detail we are going to fix this glitch in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture, guys.